And, oh, mayroong mga foreigners. Hi, guys! Are you enjoying in the Philippines? Where are you from? England. Wow, so many people in England here, vacations. Are you vacation also in the Boracay? No, Boracay. You visit Boracay, so nice also. And Palawan.
Are you from Boracay?
Yeah. You get it. But my place is Antique. The place is Katiklan, Boracay, and Antique. That's my place. Yeah.
House for free?
What?
House for free, Boracay?
Free. You are free to come there. Yeah. Along to stay here in the Philippines.
1 week.
1 week? And you'll go back to England also? All of us, England? Brazil. Wow.
Have you got YouTube?
Yes, cruise ship.
YouTube.
Sheep? How what?
Have you got YouTube?
Yeah, sheep. Sheep? What sheep? Yeah, YouTube. Yeah. You're so handsome, guys. And beautiful girl. So, say hi to the my vlog. Say hi. Hi, guys. Taga England and from Greece. Greece? Brazil. Sorry. This is from Brazil, England, from the Greece, England. And how about you, madam? Where are you from? England also. Wow. I hope you're happy here in my country, Philippines. Yeah. Dagang salamat mo, guys. Marunong sila mag-Tagalog. Thank you. Bye. Behind the sea, guys. Behind the sea. Okay. Oh, diba? Ay, paikot-ikot pa si Kuya. Uy! The universe of the Surigao. The sexy lady. Small Laude in Angara.
We have our human drone here. Ricky is super galing.